Tilda Website Builder Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Tilda Website Builder is a powerful platform designed for individuals and businesses looking to create visually stunning websites without any coding skills. It's particularly ideal for designers, bloggers, small business owners, and creative professionals who want an easy-to-use yet flexible tool. The standout feature of Tilda is its block-based design system, offering over 450 pre-designed blocks that can be customized to suit any type of website, from landing pages to full e-commerce stores. The platform also provides a rich set of templates, allowing users to start their projects quickly while still maintaining creative control. Tilda's interface is intuitive, making it beginner-friendly, but also offers the flexibility experienced users might appreciate, with the option to edit HTML and CSS. The drag-and-drop builder works seamlessly, and the customization options are extensive, enabling users to create unique layouts without needing any technical knowledge. One of the key selling points is the wide variety of integrations available. Everything from Google Analytics to MailChimp, which ensures you can easily connect your website to marketing and analytics tools. The platform's responsive design ensures your website looks great on all devices, automatically adjusting to mobile and tablet screens. Tilda also supports e-commerce, with features like product catalog management, payment gateway integration, and customizable checkout pages, making it a solid choice for online store owners. However, there are a few limitations. While Tilda is great for visually focused websites, it may not be the best option for complex web applications or sites that require extensive back-end customization. Additionally, some users report that the free plan has limited features, and you may need to upgrade to a paid plan for full access to advanced features like custom domains and increased storage. Pricing is relatively straightforward, with tiered plans based on the features you need, and a 14-day free trial allows you to explore the platform before making a commitment. In conclusion, Tilda Website Builder is a solid choice for users looking to create visually appealing websites with ease. Whether you're a designer or a small business owner, it offers the tools you need to build a professional site quickly. But if you're looking for extensive back-end functionality or have advanced technical needs, you might want to consider other options. Overall, Tilda is a great platform for those prioritizing design and ease of use.